Okay guys, just wanted to go over the right way to fix your clutch on your Beta 300 cross trainer or other Beta or like bike. The right way, in my opinion, is to replace the whole assembly. If you've seen my previous video, you see I wasted my time rebuilding it with a rebuild kit that was like 30 something bucks with the seals and stuff. The problem was this housing was worn beyond reusability. It had a groove in the wall. So order the whole assembly. I think this was 80 something bucks to my door. So it's definitely worth it. If you've got a number of hours on it, you've got some clutch fade or something's going on, you're losing fluid. Again, it's leaking internally, possibly, if you don't see any external leaks, into the motor casing, and you want to do the whole assembly. So basically, I'll just be removing this unit, high pressure line, obviously, or fluid line, swapping this whole thing out. Luckily it comes with a new gasket, because I did get a gasket but it might get stuck on there and butchered up, so luckily it comes with the new gasket. And then just re-bleed it. So if you're having trouble bleeding it, I noticed mine's working now. Even after the rebuild, it was a little tough bleeding it, but you got to make sure your stroke of your lever is complete to get the proper bleed, meaning that it goes all the way forward and doesn't hit your hand guard, and you want to squeeze it all the way down. So I actually had to extend mine so that it had a larger plunge, more of a plunge and more of a stroke to get it to bleed properly. So just free it up so this thing can move a lot more distance maybe than you're used to letting it move while you ride or whatever, so that you can get full plunger movement to suck in the new fluid and bleed out the air bubbles. Well, I hope that helps you guys. I appreciate any likes and subscribes. Again, just replace the whole assembly because the walls are worn, and you'll be good to go instead of wasting your time. So I'm just going to swap this out and go from there. Talk to you guys later. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.